Hello and welcome to Edu-bubble. Well, in this part of video, we will introduce the schematic panel for electrical circuit layout. This schematic panel is available only in AutoCAD electrical version. In normal version of AutoCAD, you will not get this schematic panel. Later on, we will see how to make a starter connection with protection of a 3-phase induction motor using schematic panel. And side by side, we will understand the use of tools which are available in schematic panel. So without wasting time, let's get started. Well, I am going to show you a motor starting configuration for an induction motor. For this, you need to choose an electrical template. You can get the templates from here. Just click on this drop down sign. Here you can see there are several options for electrical drawings. So first I am going to choose this templates, that is ACE for electrical, and this templates is colored. That means there are several layers which are available for making color of this configuration. Okay, so I am going to choose these templates. Okay, so you can see this type of templates will appear in front of you. Now first of all, you need to specify the reference numbers, otherwise you are not able to see the wire number. That is why you need to specify the reference number. So first go to the schematic panel, and here you can see the tools which are used to draw electrical diagrams. So first I am going to choose the ladder option and just click on it. Okay, so here you can start the reference number. So first I am going to give the starting point of this reference number. Suppose I am going to give it is 1 and the index number of 1. Then here you can see there is an option for draw rungs. Okay, so I am going to choose the first one, that is no bus. Then just click OK. Okay, and thus placed here the reference numbers. Okay, in this way. Okay, so you can see reference number has been taken. So first you need to draw the 3-phase bus bar for this motor control circuit. Okay, so first go to this multibus option, and there is a option for empty space, go horizontal. Just click on it, choose the wire numbers, say 3, then just press OK, and start the wire from here in this way. Okay, so you can see a 3-phase bus bar has been taken. Now if you want to specify the gauge number of this wire as well as the color of this wire, so how can we do that? Just click on this option, and you can see there is a option for change convert wire type. Just click on it. From here you can able to choose the wire color as well as wire gauge. Okay, so first I am going to choose the 14 gauge for red phase. Just click on it and press OK, and click on it, press enter. Okay, so you can see red color has been appear. Again, if you want to convert yellow color and blue color, then again you have to press enter. This window will appear again, and choose the yellow, 14 gauge yellow, that is this one, and press OK. So you can see it is converted to yellow. Again you have to press enter for another option, that is 14 blue gauge. Okay, just click on it and press OK in this way. So I have specified the wire gauge as well as color. Then you have to take, so just click on another bus, press OK, and click on the above line of this bus bar. Okay, so in this way you can make another vertical bus bar. So you can see color is automatically specified. Okay, now you have to add the components. Okay, so first you have to add the motor, which is going to be start. So first go to this motor control option. Here you can see the 3-phase induction motor. Just click on it. So to take this motor, just go to icon menu. Here you can get all the components like motor, disconnecting switch, relay circuit, everything you can get from this icon menu. Okay, so I have chosen this motor and just click on the mid point of this bus bar. Okay, so you can see there is a edit component window will appear. Here you can specify, you can give the name of this motor and ratings, everything whatever you want you can add from here. Okay, so first I am going to give the name of this motor, that is induction motor. Okay, and again I am going to specify the types of motor, that is 3-phase. Okay, so I have written that is induction motor and 3-phase. Now you have to specify the ratings of this motor. Suppose I am going to take the ratings of this motor, that is 10 HP. Sorry, 10 HP. If you want to add more specification, then just click on show all ratings, and here suppose I am going to choose a arbitrary ampere rating, that is say 10 ampere. So this is a arbitrary value, it is not appropriate, because you can get this ampere rating from the templates of a motor. Okay, so just click OK, then press again OK to close this edit component option. Okay, so you can see all the specification has been added with this induction motor. Now you have to add the components for the protection purpose of this motor. Okay, so first you have to take disconnecting switch, again you have to click on icon menu, then there is a option for fuse, circuit breaker, etc. just click on it. So you can see there are option, double click on it, you can get more options. There is a you can see 3-pole motor circuit protection. So I am not going to choose that, I am going to choose this one, that is 3-pole fuse disconnect. Okay, so just click on it and press, just click here. Okay, now if you want to go right, then just click on it. Okay, so you can see automatically it is placed in 3-phase. Add description about this component, then write on it. Suppose I am going to write the name of this component, that is disconnecting switch, just write DIS, press OK. Okay, so here you can see these components are automatically linked and the name which I have been specified. For the protection of this motor you have to add thermal relay. So just again you have to click on this icon menu. So just click on fuse circuit breakers, double click on it. So here you can get 3-pole thermal relay. So just click on it and place it here. Okay, now if you want to go through right, just click and you can add the specification. Suppose I am going to specify thermal CV, then just press OK. So here you can see it is automatically linked and name is appeared. Okay, well, so for moving this component you have to choose this option, that is scoot. Okay, so in case of 2D drawing you can see the option for move. Here you can see the option, that is scoot. Just click on it and I am going to deactivate this snap mode. Okay, so in this way you can select and it will be moved. Okay, now for the maintenance of this motor, another disconnecting switch should be added here. So go to this icon menu and you can see the disconnecting switch. Okay, you can circuit breaker. So here simply I have used 3-pole disconnecting switch. Okay, so just click on it in this way. It is used for the maintenance of this motor. I'm not going to add any description. Okay, just click OK. So in this way I have added disconnecting switch, and for the protection there is a thermal circuit breaker. Okay, if you want to add the starting unit, then just you have to take the relay option. Just click on this icon menu and you have to choose the relay option where it is available. Oh well, here you can get the relay options. So you can see there is a relay contacts. So just click on this relay. No means normally open. Okay, so just take this component and place it here in this way. If you want to repeat, obviously I want, because for the 3-phase again. Okay, in this way I have repeated this relay. Okay, if you want to adjust the alignment, so just click on this component and press right click. There is an option for alignment. Okay, so in this way just select another 2 component and press enter. So you can see alignment has been made. If you want to link this component, so there is an option for link the component. Just take it and in this way just select the component and press enter. So you can see these 3 relay has been aligned as well as connected. Okay, in this way. Now I am going to make the control unit of this motor. First you need a transformer. Just click on icon menu and click on this fuse circuit breaker. Here you can get the single phase transformer. So just click in this way and edit component window will appear. Here you can give the name of this transformer. I am going to name of this transformer, that is TF step down. Okay, here in this rating part you can add the ratings of this transformer. For example, the primary winding current, secondary winding current, whatever you want you can put here. Okay, then just press OK and you can see this name will appear beside this transformer. Now you have to connect this transformer with this bus bar. For this you have to take this wire option and add this transformer with this bus bar. The primary side of this transformer should be added. Okay, again take this wire and connect it with this yellow bus. Okay, so in this way I have connected the transformer with this bus bar. Okay, for the protection of this transformer you can add fuse to this primary side of this transformer. So just click icon menu. Here you can get fuses. I am taking the simple one and placed it here in this way. Okay, repeat in this way. Okay, so the protection of this transformer has been made. Let us make the secondary side of this transformer. So just click on wire tool and make the secondary part of the transformer. Okay, so in this way again you have to take the wire let me draw the configuration first. I will definitely discuss about why it is connected in this way. So I have made the secondary part. Now you have to add a push button to start the motor. Okay, so go to this icon menu and click on this push button and take the mushroom head NO, that is normally open, this one, and placed it here. You can add the description. I am going to add the description, that is start. Press OK. Again you have to take push button to stop this motor. So just click on icon menu, go to this section, that is push button section. There is an option mushroom head NC, placed it here. Okay, to stop this motor. Okay, I am going to give the name of this push button, that is stop. Well, these two push button has been added. One is for start, another one for stop. Now you have to add the relay contacts. For this, just click on icon menu. Here you can get the relay contacts. Normally open, placed it here in this way. And another component is needed to activate this relay contacts. So just click on icon menu, go to this relay contacts option. There is a relay coil. Okay, so this relay coil will energize this relay contacts. Okay, so I am not going to add any description, just click OK. When you add this relay coil, you can see two options will be available in this way. Now I want to place a indicator lamp, so just click icon menu, and here you can see the pilot lights. I am taking the green one and placed it here in this way. Okay, now the main part is that you have to connect this relay contacts with this relay coil. So for this you have to note down the name of this relay coil, that is CR12, and if you want to add this relay contacts with this relay coil, then just go to the edit component option and change the name, that is CR12. Okay, so here you can see it is added, this relay contact has been added with this relay coil. In this way you have to add this relay contacts with this relay coil. Okay, so just click on it, press right click and go to edit component option and change the name, that is CR12. Press OK. Just press OK to update. So you can see some of the numbers beside the NO, that it indicates that this relay contacts has been added with this relay coil, and these three relay contacts will be also added with this relay coil. Okay, so let me explain the working of this configuration. When you press the start button, it will energize this relay coil, and this relay coil will activate this relay contacts as well as this relay contacts, and whenever this relay contacts has been activated, this motor will start to run, and side by side this lamp will be connected and it will glow. Okay, whenever you want to stop this motor, just press on stop button and it will disconnect these two contacts, and whenever it is disconnected, this relay coil will be deactivated and this relay contacts will be deactivated and motor will stop. So in this way you can make a simple configuration for an induction motor in AutoCAD Electrical. Please like and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.